Hello and welcome to Serenity, Peace and Comfort. My name is Serenity, and before we begin our DIY, we're going to take just a few moments for Contemplation Corner. You know, it's been such a long time since we've actually taken the time to just sit with a cup of tea or cup of coffee and just chat for a while. So I'd like to share some great news with you. First, this new channel has had over 5,000 views, and that's a great thing. And I just got the news not too long ago. So at this point, it's a lot more than 5,000, but still, it's a great start. And now we're just hoping that you will subscribe so we can get more of my videos out to you. And we'd be so blessed if you did. So thank you in advance for that. Now, let's see, I'm having a cup of hibiscus tea. Very, very sweet and a little bit of sour, but refreshing. And so the good news, besides the 5,000 views, is we're up to 50 videos. So you can actually watch them all day. There's so many of them. And you know, with my videos, each video is so unusual and unique, and each has its own charm. So you can watch them one after the other and never get bored. You know, so many content creators have so many weekly videos that are just, it's hard to delineate, like they're all the same. So, but with this channel, they're all very unusual, different, charming. Some are historical, some are informative, some are just fun. And a few of them might be a little silly, but it's all about Philippians 4:8, about thinking about what is good, right, pure, noble, admirable, and praiseworthy. Now, I'd like to share with you a little bit about my last couple of videos, which were entitled Medical Preps, that you have not thought of. It's a 4-part series, and so far I have at least 2 of them out so far. And you might be wondering, what is that all about? That's a little bit off the beaten track from our regular videos. And let me explain. To be prepared for the future, you need the 4 B's. Beans, bullets, Band-Aids, and the Bible. Beans is your food, bullets is your protection, Band-Aids is your medical preps, and the Bible for your comfort and wisdom. Now, for your Band-Aids or your medical preps, there are so many content creators that had put out videos on medical preps, but they were very sorely lacking. And I just decided, you know what, I'm going to help the preparedness community and put out my own preparedness medical prep video. So check it out anyhow, whether you're interested in preparing or not. You might see some things there that even you didn't know that you needed. Now, let's get on to my last wonderful surprise. Caleb, come here. Come here, my love. Come here, jump. Come. 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 Come on. Come on, jump. Jump. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, my love. Come here. Come here. Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the new member of the Serenity, Peace and Comfort world. This is baby Caleb, and he is such a character. He's a love, but he can be a little rough sometimes, as you can see from the scars on my hands. But he's beautiful, and he eats like a truck driver or a football player. But he's a rescue cat, short-haired domestic, and he's wonderful. Now, Her Majesty Queen Felicity is adjusting to baby Caleb. And if you haven't met Queen Felicity, check out this video. So this is the new addition to our apartment homestead. And now, without further ado, let's get to creating your own, yes, creating your own or making your own deodorant. It's great for the fall and the winter. It's not an antiperspirant, but it's a healthy deodorant that you could use on its own, or if you want to alternate it with an antiperspirant, you could do that also. So anyhow, I hope it blesses you. Thank you for joining us today. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. My name is Serenity,